Hello, I am Jevlan Shirmemet. I was born and grew up in Südon town, Qorghas County of Ili Kazakh Prefecture of so-called Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Here is my Chinese government issued identification card and passport. I came to Turkey to study in December of 2011. My mother, Süriye Tursun, she was an employee of Management Office of Trade and Industry in Qorghas County. No, she is a prisoner of Chinese prison. She was sentenced to 5-year jail because she came to Turkey as a tourist and the Chinese tour group to visit me and my university in 2013. My father, Shirmemet Khudaya, was an employee of Environmental Protection Office in Qorghas County. And now he resting at home due to illness after he has graduated China's world-infamous concentration camps. My brother Jevlan Shirmemet graduated Northwestern University for nationality in 2015. He was also taken to the notorious Nazi style internment camp in 2018 and graduated recently, and has been graduated recently. I have lost in touch with my family in January 2018. But the recent news passed to me made my life upside down. I was told that all of my family members were taken to the camps in 2018. The main reason of their detainment was my study in Turkey and my mother travel to Turkey. If visiting Turkey were considered a crime, why would the Chinese persecute millions of Han people who come to Turkey on a daily basis? Does not the Chinese constitution guarantee equality among all ethnic groups? Why would only Turkic Muslims face this type of cruel treatment? I was told that my mom was sentenced to 5 years jail. For what I need to ask Chinese fascist government millions of times. When I heard this calamity, I contacted the Chinese consulate in Istanbul. Although they replied that they would get back to me, they have not kept their promise. When I wrote to Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs, only response I got from them was a dead silence. It is not clear to me if Chinese government is silent because they are afraid of their crime, or they are so arrogant that I cannot do anything towards their crime. China's resist officials must listen to this. From now on, I will break all silence and will declare that I join a crews of Uyghur Kazakh people whose relatives were taken to the camps, and I will expose China's crime against humanity to the world. And I will do so non-stop. And I will contact the World Criminal Court.